Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by attacking contaminants. Degrease and physically remove loose rust so the primer bonds. Once done, mask nearby surfaces and ensure cross-ventilation. Safety gear is required. Now shake the can or mix the tin for 1 to 2 minutes and test spray on a scrap piece to confirm spray pattern and flow. Apply the first light mist coat at 20-25 cm, moving steadily. This builds adhesion without runs and sets the foundation for subsequent coats. Once the first coat flashed, continue with 2 to 3 thin, even coats to achieve uniform coverage. Avoid heavy passes that cause sagging. Make sure to wait the recommended flash time, typically 5 to 10 minutes, adjusting for cooler or humid conditions. After full cure, lightly wet sand with 400-600 grit to knock down nibs and feather edges, then thoroughly remove sanding residue with a tack cloth. This creates a smooth, keyed surface for the top coat and prevents visible imperfections. You finish by applying the compatible top coat within the primer's recoat window so chemical bonding occurs. Wait full cure before handling. If you spot runs or sags, stop, let cure, then sand the defect smooth, clean the area and reapply thin coats. This preserves finish integrity. If adhesion lifts or bubbles, remove affected primer back to bare metal, redo degreasing and rust removal, and reprime. One troubleshooting tip. Poor adhesion almost always traces back to inadequate surface prep, so recheck those steps first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.